Hello, and welcome to Mr. Saeed Rahmati's channel. In this lesson, Mr. Rahmati provides foundational teachings. So grab your pencil and paper and join Mr. Rahmati. Rest assured, this course is so comprehensive that you won't need any other classes. For basic design, we need a regular pencil, an eraser pencil, a sharpener, and some regular paper. You can even use a sketching pencil. However, it's better if the sketching pencil tip is slightly thicker. If you're using a drawing board, see how to use it in this figure. I also recommend using a drawing board. Using one helps improve your view of the model and enhances your design skills in the long run, without causing strain on your neck vertebrae. There are various ways to hold a pencil, each with its specific use. For instance, holding it like writing is suitable for detailing. In my initial designs and sketches, I hold the pencil freely for a more open design. Holding the pencil freely is excellent for initial designs, sketches, and even live model drawing. Try practicing exercises using both methods to strengthen your hand and improve skills in both approaches. The first exercise is drawing lines in different directions. Repeat this exercise with me, trying to draw lines at various angles. Keep in mind not to change the angle of the drawing board. Instead, become skilled in drawing lines at different angles. Pay attention to these tips while drawing lines. 1. Keep your wrist and fingers steady without movement. 2. Practice drawing lines at different speeds, slow, medium, and fast. It's crucial that your speed remains consistent in all three cases, without fluctuations. 3. Master applying pressure with the pencil on the paper, creating both light and dark lines. Also, practice varying pressure from light to heavy and vice versa. Imagine a plane taking off or landing at an airport. Your pencil should smoothly touch down or lift off, maintaining a consistent speed. Both takeoff and landing should have a uniform speed without acceleration or deceleration. The exercises I've taught you today are crucial and form the foundation of your design skills. They can enhance your hands' capabilities, enabling you to start designing proficiently. Be sure to do these exercises frequently. Make sure to subscribe to our channel to stay updated on upcoming tutorials and support us with your likes and comments.